Hello everyone. Today I will show you 5 basic steps of coloring with alcohol markers. So let's get started. First step, pick the right colors. Choosing the right color palette will help in creating smooth gradients, in blending, and maintaining the overall harmony of your art piece. Always swatch the colors before actually using them, because the marker caps are so misleading. I will be using these colors for coloring the hair. Second step, work light to dark. Start with the lightest color, RV 280. This will be your base color. Then, we will use the second base color G, 120. Flick the marker lightly in upward motion. Now blend it with the colorless blender. Since these two colors are so contrasting, the blending becomes a bit difficult. I am using yellow Y030 for creating smooth blend between pink and green. Repeat the same steps till you finish all the parts. Avoid putting extra pressure on the markers. Use soft and smooth strokes. And this is how the base looks. Now we will add shadows. With the help of the darker shade we chose earlier, RV 180, add it to the areas that would naturally cast a shadow. Make light-handed strokes for giving a hair-like texture. Now I am moving on to the next part, which are her eyes. We will be using the same color as we used for the hair, G120. Add 47 grass green to color the pupil. Repeat the same with the other eye. Pick 3 colors which will be the base, blush and shadow. As you can see, this purple shade is enhancing the skin more than the other one. I will be using purple for the shadows. Now let's move on to the skin. Let's start with the base tone WG05 and fill evenly by saturating the paper. Add the blush or mid-tone R21 to the cheeks and blend with the base tone and the colorless blender. Now add the shadows with the purple shade V030. Add shadows to the collarbone. Add the blush to add shine and soften the edges of the shadows. Now add the shadows due to the eyelids on the eyes with the help of red-gray RG 120. Now color the clothes with any blue-gray color. And that's it. This is the final result. I hope you found this video helpful. Like, share, and subscribe if you want me to make more of such videos. Thanks for watching.